If you don't have the Copilot license, you can still use Copilot inside Outlook. I'm Kelly from the 365 Training Hub. Let's take a look. Here I am inside Outlook, and you can customize this rail on the left-hand side. Go to that bottom icon and scroll down until you can find the Copilot icon. Once it's on the rail, right-click and choose to pin, so it will stay on this navigation rail for you. Now go to your inbox, which is now easily accessible because you're inside Outlook. Now I'd like to reply to this email. I'm going to copy the information, go back to Copilot and paste it in. And say, please reply to this email and say, yes, we're happy to support their Copilot journey as we specialise in change and training for AI adoption in the workplace. So Copilot's going to reference that initial email and write a response for me. Great for a first draft. My tip would be to read it out loud and hear how it sounds in your own voice. Then it's easy to make some changes to make it more suitable. I hope it saves you some time and makes you more productive.